Pack. Alright, now that I'm a wolf and I was accepted into a wolf pack, I'm gonna lay the ground rules, alright? These are my homies. Okay? Wasipi, Denali, Takani, Prophet, Genesis, Holan, who accepted me, Balto, Waya, and Takuwakan. Wolfpack, 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 Wolfpack. Alright. So now, I'm gonna read you my totem animal that I was given by the Native Americans. Get up there. Get up there. Yeah. Alright. So, my animal is the brown bear. Alright, bro, chill out. My influencing wind is the south winds. Shout out to the south winds. My totem is the mouse. Okay? My predominant element is earth with water. You feel me? My elemental clan, which I will be repping on social media daily now, is the Turtle Clan. I am a part of the Turtle Clan. My animal totem is the brown bear, as I said before. Plant totem, violets. Mineral totem, topaz. Polarity totem, wolf. You already know what it is. Affinity color is brown and violet. Interesting, my musical vibration is G natural, which is all white keys except F sharp. I actually don't like that key, so that makes a lot of sense. Here's what's weird. My personality is industrious, unassuming, practical, and fastidious. I gotta look up that last word. My feelings are warm and analytical. My intention is practicality. I agree. My nature is considerate. Absolutely. Positive traits: modest, discriminating, and meticulous. I didn't know discriminating was positive, but I do that a lot. Negative traits: fault finding. Absolutely. Finicky. Yup. Hypocritical. Sometimes fussy. Absolutely. Sex drive, moralistic. You hear that, ladies? I ask for consent. One of the dudes I went with, their sex drive was demanding. Don't know how I feel about that. Compatibilities, geese and beavers. That's a whole other thing. Subconscious desire, perfection. Conscious aim, sifting and striving. Yep. Desire for liberation. Absolutely. Must cultivate optimism and tolerance. Ain't that me? Must avoid skepticism. Obviously, I'm on the internet. Fault finding and procrastination. Yeesh. Starting totems. Brown bear, mouse, turtle, violet, topaz, wolf. That, I don't know what a lot of that means, as neither do y'all. But sounds good. Yup. Turtle Clan in this bitch. Hey. That's the takeaway. I'm motherfucking Turtle Clan till I motherfucking DIE. Wolfpack till I DIE. I am a G natural. I gotta make some beats in G natural now. And my sex drive is moralistic, ladies. Alright, for sure. I just wanted to share my new Native American roots. If there's any Native Americans watching, I am dead ass serious. This is not mocking. I am all about this life now. I'm in the wolf pack. If you don't believe me, check in with my nigga Holan. He's who I got my G pass from. If you got a problem with it, see me and my niggas though. That's what I'm saying. Pull the fuck up. Pull the fuck up. If you got a problem with anything I just said, this is Turtle Clan out here. Oh shit. My Native American music stopped. I gotta go. See you.